Kathy Quisido.
I am Raymond Tikil.
I'm Ginoay Tunggos.
I'm Adrian Chris Ungang. And I am John Kenneth Suno.
So this time, we are going to explain our program, which is a bubble shooter game that runs in the terminal. It draws bubble using colored text and lets you shoot bubbles upward. So, in Includes or Libraries, these are tools your program needs. In IOStream, this is for printing text. In Victor, this is for storing the game board, while the CSTDlib or the CTime is for random colors, and the string 1 is for string text. In the Windows.h or the UnisD.h, this is for sleeping or pausing the game, while the Conio.h or the Termius.h, this is for keyboard input without pressing enter. Different code is used for Windows and Linux. Color codes, which are the vector string colors. These are colors codes so bubbles can appear red, green, blue, and etc. Reset turns color back to normal. So in game settings, which are the integer rows equals to 18 and integer calls equals to 20. Integer descent rate equals to 18. This means the game board is 18 rows tall while the board is 20 columns wide. Bubbles drop after a number.
Check match. Finding same color bubbles. This function check there are connected bubbles of the same color. Check up, down, left and right. Stories all matching bubble or position and match. If a 3 or more bubbles connected, they will be removed. Match. Remove bubbles. This simply set bubbles equal 1 empty, just like a popping does again, bubble leaving empty space behind.
Main, where the game starts. Difficulty, you choose easy, slow dropping bubbles, medium, hard, fast dropping, and more essential bubbles. Create the board. Victor, this creates an empty read fill with -1, meaning no bubbles. Then it adds random bubbles at the top. I anti-shooter pose, and shooter start in the middle. The next bubble to shoot is random. Hide cursor. See out. Makes the terminal cursor disappear to look clean.
So let's move to the main game loop. So everything that happens in the game, it happens here. So first is the bubble drops over time. If frame descent rate, move bubbles down one row. So this makes the game challenging, slow or fast, depending on the difficulty of your choice. So next is draw the entire screen again. The code clears and rewrites the entire board every time. It draws the game title, the top border, the next bubble preview, the game board or the bubbles and the data, to shoot the arrow, the bottom border, and lastly, the score. Every frame updates this, so it looks animated. So next is check game over. If the bottom row has a bubble, then you loses. So next is control. If the player presses key A or the letter A in the keyboard, it moves to the left, while letter D moves to the right, and press space to shoot the bubble.
So let's proceed. When you press space, start at bottom row and R row 1. Move upward until hits another bubble. The bubble travels upward until it finds a spot. Place the bubble. Board R shooter post next bubble. Check if matching 3 plus. Code check match. If 3 or more, remove them and score. Generate new bubble. Check if pose for smooth animation. Sleep MS 120. This makes game run at normal speed. Loop continues until game's end.